Welcome to International Coalition of Fellowships Incorporated as ICOF Colleges, Seminary and Universities, a global movement of Christian institutions of higher learning. 2019, we have provided special scholarships to Christians regardless of doctrinal differences. As long as you are a Christian, you qualify on these special scholarships. And as long as you are a Christian who lives in Africa, you qualify for these important scholarships. Scholarships are in the following faculties: in the Faculty of Education, in the Faculty of Disability Studies, in the Faculty of Theology and Biblical Studies, in the Faculty of Leadership and Corporate Governance. And we believe that not until Christians are imparted with education, then they shall be able to participate in the governance of their nation. They will be able to understand the social and the political issues that affect social delivery of services within their community. In ICOF, we work with the church leaders, we work with civic leaders, we work with political leaders to ensure that we deliver that which we have designed for Christians in terms of academic programs. We want this year Christians in every part of Africa to be part and parcel of these special scholarships for Christians, and to ensure that we centralize residential schools, because all our programs are offered on distance and online learning. But there is a component of compulsory residential school, which is a contact session. Every year we meet students twice for 2 weeks, under which we bring experts together, lecturers together, and students together to provide contact session, which also gives an opportunity for the students to meet together, to share ideas, and raise questions with tutors, with instructors, and with lecturers. And for this year, we are going to have contact session in Zambia, we are going to have contact session in Botswana, we shall have contact session in South Africa, we are going to have contact session in Kenya, we are going to have contact session in Nigeria, and we are going to have contact session in Democratic Republic of Congo. So any believer, any Christian wishing to start a career progression with this global movement, you can pick up any of the countries that we have mentioned, but you can enroll with any of the country and be able to attend residential school in the country of your choice. Our team of experts, the coordinators, the national presiding bishop will ensure that if you require a visa, if you require documentation for you to travel to that particular country, such documentation will be provided. Mainly, we recruit our students at constituency level, at ward level, and to avoid to be misunderstood by politicians, we ensure that we work with them and we introduce ourselves, our goals and aspiration in terms of meeting the education requirements for our students. We appeal to you, men and women of God, that God has charged you with the responsibility to give you members, and some of these members will need your support, because they will need to be supported by you by giving them a recommendation letter to us. Many of the believers and Christians around Africa Some they've been to higher education through the support of NGOs, the support of cooperating partner at higher education level. And at secondary school level, they've been supported. ICOF has come in to provide that support at university level so that we can complete what you have already started, that together we can empower them, they can be able to participate in the governance of your nation, in the governance of your community, in the governance of your church, and the governance of your community. I wish to appeal to you right now to contact us through our official Facebook of ICOF, or you can contact us through ICOF official website, which is hosted on www.icofusa.net. You can contact any of the colleagues, any of the coordinators, and any of the leaders on that link. Or you can apply online in your country using your phone, using the sub cafe. Just go on www.icof.net and click on the link called Apply Online. And everything there, it will follow. The process takes about 4 to 5 minutes. You will be able to receive information from us as to whether you have been accepted or rejected, and rejected reasons why, so that you are part and parcel of the many of the believers who have been beneficiaries in this global institution of learning, which has come to ensure that Christians are empowered, Christians are supported in terms of career progression. May God keep you, may God protect you as we reach out through education. Thank you.